Hi guys, welcome to Cherokee lock picking. Well, today I have this beautiful all brass American lock, and it's very old. US. Okay, here's the bidding on the key. It's pretty good. I won this. I was so lucky. From Starrylock. This is one of the locks that was in the batch I got to pick from. And I'm going to pick it for you, I hope. For Stop Lock Sunday. Okay. It's a very tricky lock. What's going on in there. I have picked it. I just can't remember what I did. Felt a little bit of a pin moving in the back. I hope I didn't overset that one. Okay, get another one kind of crunched in there. Kind of mushing. Okay, get another one. I think that was number 5. Click out of 3 and 2, and I believe that was 1, not 2. Probably just one left if I can find it. I'll click there. I think that was number 3. Feels like it's set. Just kind of rolling over them. Might have something overset, I'm not sure. Was number 1. Alright, there we go. What I did notice after you pick this lock, it won't stay in until you turn this thing manually. And when you pick it, it turns very easily. You can feel it. But when it turns back, it's pretty hard. Trying to say you have to push really hard to get it to snap back. Anyways, there it is, American lock, vintage, love it, all brass. Isn't that cool? Thank you for joining me. Happy Stop Lock Sunday. Bye bye.